Torture. Here.
There's a choice here between fighting back and running. But I find it hard to stay away from a fight. Sorry, team. And I won again. I'll take all the credit. Ralof is just my background character.
Looks like there's something in this cage.
Amazing. They have a little zoo.
See if you can get it open with some picks.
Let's try and pick the lock here. Hopefully 90 is the right angle. Badged chip 0% yet
Need
again.
that gold once we get out.
My god.
Grab anything useful and let's go.
Aha. Nailed it first try.